Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to set up and install your new D-Link water sensor kit. Before we begin, ensure your phone is connected to the same router that you want to connect the water sensor to, and make sure the Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Now in the box you should have received the master plug-in water sensor, an extension cable, water sensing cable, and one remote water sensing pod. I will be using an Android phone for this setup, however if you're using an iPhone or an iPad the steps will be similar. In order to set up the unit, you'll need to download the My D-Link app from the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone or an iPad, you can download the app from the App Store. Launch the Google Play Store on your device, search for My D-Link, and install the app. Once the app is installed, go ahead and launch it. If you're new to My D-Link service, then you'll need to create a My D-Link account. Tap Sign Up to create an account and follow the simple instructions. I already have a My D-Link account, so I will use that to sign in. Tap Add Device, or tap the menu icon on the top left, then Add Device. Tap Scan and scan the QR code on the master plug-in water sensor. It can be found on the side of the water sensor or in the supplied quick install guide. Connect the sensor cable to the master unit and tap Next. Plug it into a power outlet, and once the LED on the unit starts to blink orange, tap Next. Your phone will now connect to the water sensor. Here you will see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Tap on the Wi-Fi network you want to connect the water sensor to. In this example, my Wi-Fi network name is called Home. If you don't see your Wi-Fi network listed, tap the refresh button on the top right or scroll up to see more networks. Enter the Wi-Fi password for the network you just selected, then tap Confirm. Your water sensor will be now linked to your My D-Link account. You can now name the two water sensors. This step is optional, but will make it easier to determine where you have a leak. Once done, tap Next. The setup is complete. Tap Done. Now you can follow the on-screen prompt for suggested placement tips. Now you can test your sensors. Dip the sensing cable or place the remote sensing pod in water. The master water sensor will beep and you should get a push notification. Tap Yes, I got the notification. The remote sensing pod will go into power save mode to conserve battery life. Once water is detected, the pod will wake up and trigger the alarm and strobe light on the master water sensor, along with sending you a push notification. Tap Got It. The setup is complete. You should now see both the master and the remote water sensor listed. If the remote water sensing pod does not get added automatically, or if you want to add additional pods, please follow the video link in the description below. Thank you for watching. For more videos and other helpful resources on how to get the most out of your D-Link device, please visit support.dlink.ca or support.dlink.com.